In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit or debit card on Temu. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or you're simply updating your information, these instructions will guide you through the process with ease. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to access your dashboard. This is where you'll find all the necessary settings and personal information options. Once you've navigated to your dashboard, look for the Profile section. It's usually identifiable with a little icon resembling a person or a head and shoulders silhouette. Clicking on this will take you to your profile settings where you manage your personal information and payment methods. Now that you're in your profile, take a moment to locate the Payment Methods option. This is where you keep track of all the financial details associated with your account. Click on Payment Methods and you will find an option to add a credit or debit card. It's a straightforward process, but ensuring you're in the right section is key to a smooth experience. With the Payment Methods screen open, you should see a button or link prompting you to add a new card. Go ahead and click this option, and a form will appear for you to fill in your card details. Remember to have your credit or debit card handy so you can input the information accurately. You'll need to enter your card number first. This is the long number on the front of your card. It's typically 16 digits, but do double-check to make sure you've entered it correctly. After that, move on to the expiration date. This is usually highlighted on the front of your card as well, and helps the system verify the validity of your card. The final crucial piece of information is the card's CVV or security code. This 3-digit number is commonly found on the back of your card, and it provides an extra layer of security for your transactions. Once you have carefully entered all the required details, double-check everything for any errors, especially those digits, as one small mistake can prevent your card from being successfully added. Confident everything is in order? Then go ahead and click the button to add your card. By completing these steps, your card will be saved to your Temu account, making future purchases quicker and more convenient. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clear and simple for you. If you have any doubts, remember that you can always revisit these instructions or contact customer support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope your experience on Temu is greatly enhanced with your new payment method ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.